In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car jump starters available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car jump starters mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, BUVAYE 2500A Jump Starter Air Pump. The BUVAYE 2500A Jump Starter is a reliable tool with an integrated air pump, power bank, and safety lighting. It delivers a 2500A peak current, starting engines up to 8.0 L gas or 6.0 L diesel. The device supports fast charging with a high 90% conversion rate. Built-in SOS and warning lights offer added roadside safety. Compact and powerful, it's a great companion for emergency car maintenance and long trips, offering both practicality and peace. Number 4, Buture 5-in-1 Car Jump Starter Compressor. The Buture 5-in-1 Jump Starter is a powerful multifunctional tool with a 3500A peak current, capable of starting most vehicles easily. It includes an air compressor, 5W emergency LED, and intelligent safety jumper cables. The LCD screen shows both tire pressure and battery level for added convenience. Designed for safety and versatility, it's an essential for every driver's toolkit, ideal for emergency use, camping, and roadside support. Number 3, UTRAI 4-in-1 Jump Starter Air Compressor. The UTRAI 4-in-1 Jump Starter combines a 2000A jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and LED light. With dual digital displays, you can monitor battery life and air pressure with ease. The 150 psi compressor handles most tire inflations, and it recharges in just 4 to 4.5 hours. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this compact yet powerful device keeps you prepared for any car-related emergency. Number 2, GOOLOO GT4000 Jump Starter Power Bank. The GOOLOO GT4000 is a robust 12V jump starter with a 24,000 mAh power bank, dual USB-A, and USB-C ports. It can be stored for up to 24 months without recharging, thanks to low self-discharge tech. Its preheat function ensures performance in cold weather down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. With a fast charge ability, up to 20% in 5 minutes, this jump starter is a must-have for winter emergencies and extended travel. Number 1, VTOMAN V10 Pro Jump Starter Power Bank. The VTOMAN V10 Pro is a 20,000 mAh multifunction jump starter with power bank capabilities. Equipped with 10 advanced safety features, it's perfect for cars, motorcycles, and outdoor activities. It includes 4 lighting modes: strong, strobe, SOS, and flash, making it ideal for night use or camping. Durable, powerful, and compact, it's the ultimate roadside assistant for any vehicle owner.